Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video on this braid. If you guys want to learn how to get this braid, make sure to stay tuned throughout this video. But before this video starts, make sure to go like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below and let me know what other videos you guys want to see. But yeah, so let's just get into the video.
So these are the products you're going to need. I'm just using the Got To Be Glued. And also I'm using argan oil to help with the shine. And also make sure that you have different types of combs to help when detangling your hair. And clips. And a good hair scrunchie for your hair, because you do want it to slick back. And I'm going to be using the Afrazine braiding hair for the ponytail, and I also use that braiding hair in my other videos. If you guys want to see that, just click the link right above. So I'm starting off by parting my hair into my desired part. This part took the longest because I was trying to get the perfect line. But yeah, I like to section off the front part from the rest of the hair so that it's easier to slick back. Now I'm taking the back section and I'm just detangling it and adding a little bit of the Got To Be Glued. And now I'm brushing my hair back, and I'm just going to complete this technique throughout my whole entire head. Now I'm trying to slick back my baby hairs. I didn't have my edge control brush, so I'm just using a rat tail comb.
Scarf is completely on, and then just take your blow dryer. Make sure it's securing the ponytail. And then you want to take some argan oil and apply that to your tips of the hair. Just to add some moisture. And I'm also going to add some of this. Just a little bit.
So I'm just using Afrazine braiding hair. I really like this hair. It's really affordable and it works really well on my hair, and I'm using the color 1B. So yeah, I'm just going to take this hair apart and make sure that you're splitting the pack of hair in two, and make sure it's like an even amount on both sides. This just helps with having a consistent braid, and you don't want to have like lumps throughout your braid. So yeah, you want to separate it in two. Then you want to take the first section of hair that you're going to be using, and I like to personally add the hair tie onto the first section of hair, and this just helps with having the ponytail blend with the braiding hair. And then I just take the hair tie and I add it to my ponytail as if I were putting a hair tie on my hair. And now I'm just adding some olive oil spray to my hair. You could use any oil. I'm just using this to help with the shine and blend the braiding hair with my natural hair. I also find it really helpful to take a section of the braiding hair and just loop it around the ponytail to cover up the hair tie and the braiding hair rubber band that I had added earlier. So now I'm just going to continue down with the braid and just braid down normally like you would braid your natural hair. So now I'm adding the second piece of hair, and I'm just going to feed it in to the braid. And this also helps with making the braid seamless without any bumps throughout the braid. So in order to seal the end of the braid, I use boiling water, but to my boiling water, I make sure I add olive oil or any type of oil. Right now I'm using argan oil to the water, and that just helps with the shine of the braid, and it helps lock in the shine. So these were the final results. If you guys like this video, make sure to go like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell in the comment section down below what other videos you want me to post. But thank you. Bye.